What you need to know about the Amazfit T-Rex Pro. The Amazfit T-Rex Pro is a rugged fitness watch that targets sports enthusiasts who like to play it rough. The watch reportedly passed 15 military-grade tests and is designed to withstand different kinds of extreme conditions. The smartwatch boasts 15 military-grade certificates for being able to handle extreme environments. It also upgrades the water resistance from 5 atm on the previous model to 10 atm. This means the watch should be able to survive underwater for up to 100 meters instead of 50 meters. The watch's design is attractive and the frame has a robust metal sprayed outer bezel. That keeps the weight light and complements the watch's pleasing rugged texture. The strap is made from skin-friendly silicone material with a design that lets sweat flow through easily. Amazfit also subjected it to 3 extra endurance tests to ensure it ticks all the boxes as a rugged smartwatch. The Amazfit T-Rex Pro adopts a 1.3-inch always-on AMOLED display with a resolution of 360x360p and 277 ppi. Key display has a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection and an oleophobic coating. If you are seeing this channel for the first time and like to see similar reviews in the future, then hit that subscribe button right now. Please help me to reach 1,000 subscribers this month. 18 days of promised battery life with a 390 mAh battery. Built-in GPS. Bluetooth 5.0. And Xiaomi's self-developed BioTracker PPG2 sensor for heart rate and SPO2 measurements. It also has an acceleration sensor, a gyroscope sensor, a geomagnetic sensor, an ambient light sensor, and a barometric altimeter. The watch also comes with more than 100 sports modes and runs on Amazfit's RTOS. It features 24 hours heart rate monitor. Thanks to the BioTracker 2 PPG bio-tracking optical sensor onboard and alerts the user if the heart rate is too high. It also comes with a sleep tracking feature. The body of the T-Rex Pro is made of plastic. Its round dial has 4 navigation buttons, 2 on each side, just like its predecessor. There's a silicone strap attached to the main unit with a sweat-resistant design. With all these attributes, the T-Rex Pro comes in at $12,999 in India and $179.99 in the US. It stacks up against the Honor Magic Watch 2, Huawei Watch GT2, Mi Watch Revolve, Fitbit Versa 2, and multiple other sub-$200 smartwatches. For power, there are 390 mAh battery that can last up to 18 days on typical usage and up to 9 days on heavy usage. The battery will stay up to 40 hours on GPS mode and it takes just 1.5 hours to charge it from empty. Charging is done via a magnetic charging base. The smartwatch is available in 3 colors: meteorite black, desert gray, and steel blue. On the connectivity front, there is support for GPS, Bluetooth version 5.0, GLONASS and the ZEP app. It is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. Additionally, the T-Rex Pro allows for call, text message, and alarm notifications, along with the ability to track the weather and monitor sunrise and sunset. In its own ecosystem, the T-Rex Pro is slightly cheaper than the Amazfit Stratus 3 priced at Rs. $13,999 to $193. It costs the same as the new Amazfit GTR2 and GTS2. But those aren't rugged smartwatches and target a different kind of buyer.
Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.